Just cooking some aubergines for aubergine salad. I've roasted them basically. I had them in the oven for a couple of minutes until they were ready. Before you put them in the oven, you have to like stab them basically, just so when they bake, they don't suddenly release all that pressure. You know, if you stab them, it releases it bit by bit, so it's not a danger to your eyes when you open the oven, you know, not as much anyway. So I started peeling them here. This is how it looks before I chop it even more. And I've got onions, and then I've got some oil here and some mustard, and we have just boiled some eggs as well, 2 eggs actually, and I used yellow to mix it with oil and mustard to make mayonnaise, and then put the salad in, and yeah, it's gonna be really delicious. So yeah, as I was saying, I've just finished peeling the aubergines. They're all peeled now. I just need to chop them. Got a knife there. I'm just gonna chop them, and then I have to prepare the mayonnaise. So yeah, they're gonna be so delicious, and they're so easy to make. They're vegan, vegetarian, whatever you want. There's nothing bad in it. Just really nice to eat. So you know when I was saying this is a vegan recipe, it's not, because obviously it has eggs. Oh, duh. So yeah, I'm just gonna chop them a bit more because I like them really thin. But they're pretty much done, but I just like to get them really thin. So yeah, I'll keep on doing this, and then get on with the mayonnaise, the homemade mayonnaise. So I got the boiled eggs, the egg, the yellows. I can't remember how you call them. I'm just gonna add a little bit of mustard. I think, not quite sure how much, but anyway. So and I have to add oil. Okay. I forgot that I've got to separate the eggs because I need the actual unboiled egg. Let's see how it go to make sure I don't drop the yellow bit in, and just separate them. So yeah, that's almost pretty good. Okay, got another one. Oh, this broke a bit. This is better actually. Oops. Okay. So we're gonna keep this to fry, and we're gonna add this should have done this straight into the big bowl, but I didn't think I'm a bit tired, so what can I say? Making a mess in the kitchen. And you have to do it in one direction, like clockwise, because otherwise they're gonna mess up the mayonnaise, and that's no do, no do. Okay, let's add a bit more more sunflower oil. This is how it looks. I've never seen how it looks. I should stop because this is boring. Just me doing this thing. I think I should add some salt, but I can do that at the end. It's fine. Okay. And yeah, basically with this you just have to add oil bit by bit. And that's how the mayonnaise grows, basically. So I'll just show you. I'm gonna stop the video a bit because I don't have much memory left on my phone. So I'm gonna show you how it looks once it's all finished. So this is how it looks before I add the aubergines and the onion.